Hello, I'm Tiffany Brown, and I'm the owner of Fit for Life, and this video talks about what coaching is. So today we're going to tackle that topic of what is coaching, and it's going to be different for every place you go to, but I can speak to what it is at Fit for Life. Our philosophy is move fit, think fit, and eat fit. So when you receive a wellness coaching program or a weight loss coaching program at Fit for Life, you'll be working with me. Clients literally speak to me either once a week or once every other week over the phone for 15 to 30 minutes. And we tackle goals, we assess how the progress has gone, any challenges, any obstacles, and of course celebrate successes. I receive food logs, I receive calorie burn and exercise logs, I receive any kind of homework I've assigned on behavior change, any kind of experiments or projects I've given clients. Homework or projects look sometimes like I need you to give me 4 days where you get an extra hour of sleep, or you're going to bed somewhere between 9 and 10 o'clock. That's your homework. That's the experiment. Or it can be, I want you to go walk with your kids 3 days this week. Or I want you to take a week off from the gym. Or I want you to go out with the girls to have a spa day. That's what coaching can involve. It's very different. It's very customized to each person. If your expectation was that coaching is me on the phone yelling at you or telling you how you didn't do what you were supposed to, it doesn't look like that at all. And the results vary from one person to the next depending on where they are in their exercise goals and their nutrition goals and their progress. So it's going to look a little different for each person, but coaching is a highly customized program, and it will take into consideration exercise, nutrition, and behavior change. Okay, so that's how I do it. It is a huge add-on to the programming that we do at the studio, the actual exercise programming. I have to be very candid and honest here. The clients that receive coaching, the clients that receive that one-on-one direction, trump the success of the clients that don't every day of the week. And it's because of that big A word, accountability. Most of the time you seek out help and assistance when it comes to weight loss because you need someone to be accountable to. There's nothing wrong with that. Judgment-free zone. Just own it that you need accountability. I am that professional accountability partner. I'm the one that knows what I'm doing and why I'm doing it, and I'm not just a rah-rah cheerleader. I'm going to give you protocols that are systematic and have been proven to work. Just wanted to share little numbers. Part of what motivated me to do this video this week is because I'm just always floored by the success that my clients are seeing. This is just since last week. I can tell you that when I make some of the changes that I normally do to diet, I can see oftentimes in a 7-day period a 4-pound loss, a 3 to 6 pound loss. It just depends on the person. So I see results like this all the time when I'm coaching clients and I'm telling them to remove allergen foods or trigger foods from their diets or condiments that I know are problematic, or I'm telling them that they need to get more rest or they need to get more water. But specifically, I'm just going to give you the first initial, last initials, X, just for the person's privacy. Specifically in the last 12 days, JX is a mom, couple of kids, approaching 50, has lost 6 pounds, and her current protocol is not to include exercise. That is her current protocol. CX, in her 30s, over the last 7 days, lost 6 pounds. Her protocol included lots of rest. MX, in the last 7 days, we added green shakes, and she was plateaued and not feeling very well, and that was able to shake loose 2 pounds, where previously we weren't able to see any weight loss, and she'd been losing weight at a 2-pound rate very regularly for months now. And VX, just with some nutritional changes, we were able to shake loose her metabolism a little bit and get her to lose 2 pounds. Most of these women are either in their mid to late 30s or in their 40s to 50s, and these results are typical. So that wraps it up today. I want you to eat fit, move fit, live fit, and that's what health coaching is at Fit for Life. Take care.